Hey guys, let's see how you can watch Ring cameras on your computer. It's very simple. You just need to visit ring.com and watch from here. The app that used to work for the computer is not working anymore. So you just need to visit ring.com. And from here, you're going to sign in, enter your email and password. So just hit continue here, enter your password, click on sign in, and you're gonna receive a message here on your cell phone. So you're gonna get the code and insert the code here. So I got mine. I just enter here, hit verify, and then you get into your account and you see your cameras. Here's the location, and then here you can see your camera live. Just click on it and it goes live, right? So it's activating the live view right now, and I can see my live camera. Okay, so super simple. And then if I just want to view the recordings, I can just come here to history, and from here I can view everything, playback, and also download here on the right side. So if I click here once, it's going to download the video. Super simple. Basically, that's the way you can view your Ring cameras on your computer, and you can also view the history and download the files. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.